Did you know that underneath the bustling streets of modern London lies a ghost city, a Roman settlement founded almost 2,000 years ago? This isn't just a city, it's a living, breathing time capsule, and today, we're going to peel back the layers of its incredible story. From Roman ruins to royal power, from devastating fires to the Blitz, and from the heart of a global empire to the vibrant multicultural hub it is today. This is the epic tale of London. Our story begins around 43 AD with the Roman invasion of Britain. They found a strategic spot on the River Thames and established a settlement they called Londinium. It quickly became a vital port, a bustling commercial center with an impressive forum, basilica, and even an amphitheater. Imagine Roman soldiers and merchants walking the very ground where the Shard now stands. But as the Roman Empire crumbled, Londinium was abandoned, left to decay for centuries, becoming a ghost town in its own history. Fast forward to the Anglo-Saxon period. The city was re-established just west of the old Roman walls. In an area we now know as Covent Garden, it was called Londonwick. After Viking raids, King Alfred the Great moved the population back within the safety of the old Roman walls, laying the foundation for the city of London we recognize. The Middle Ages saw London flourish. The construction of the Tower of London and the original Westminster Abbey cemented its status as a center of royal and political power. Guilds were formed, trade boomed, and the first London Bridge, lined with houses and shops, became an icon. London was on its way to becoming a major European city. The Tudor and Stuart periods were a roller coaster of drama. Shakespeare's plays filled the Globe Theatre, but the city also faced immense hardship. The Great Plague of 1665 was a devastating blow, followed just a year later by the Great Fire of 1666. This colossal blaze destroyed over 80% of the medieval city. Yet, from these ashes, a new London rose. Sir Christopher Wren's architectural genius gave us St. Paul's Cathedral and countless other churches, reshaping the city's skyline with a new, more elegant and fire-resistant design. By the 18th and 19th centuries, London was the beating heart of the British Empire, the largest city in the world. The Industrial Revolution brought unprecedented growth, but also immense challenges. The city became a place of stark contrasts, unimaginable wealth alongside desperate poverty, as vividly described by Charles Dickens. This era gave us the world's first underground railway, the Tube, and iconic structures like Tower Bridge and the Houses of Parliament, symbols of its global dominance. The 20th century tested London's resilience like never before. It endured the terrifying bombing raids of the Blitz during World War II. The city was scarred, but its spirit was unbreakable. Post-war, London began another transformation. It rebuilt, and it welcomed waves of immigration from across the Commonwealth, shaping it into the wonderfully diverse, multicultural metropolis we know today. From the swinging 60s to the financial boom of the 80s and the hosting of the 2012 Olympics, London has constantly reinvented itself. Today, London stands as a testament to its own history. You can walk from a Roman wall to a medieval castle, pass a Georgian square, and end up at a futuristic skyscraper, all within a single afternoon. It is a city where ancient history and cutting-edge culture dawn to just coexist, they enrich each other. The story of London is a story of resilience, of transformation, and of the incredible human spirit. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that shaped our world. See you next time.